Look at us concentrating in giving our people good governance. What is good governance? Good governance is making the people to be happy. Good governance is providing the basic infrastructure for the people. Good governance is not about party. Providing good governance is about leadership. We are here every day flagging up projects, every day commissioning projects, even though our tenure is coming to an end. But because we believe that we can only be happy when our people are happy. Some other people are busy putting themselves together. How would they tell leadership in Nigeria to loot the remaining one that is remaining, the remaining one that these other people have already kept? If you know what is going on in Nigeria, forget about all these people running around to want to rescue or save you. Watch what is going to happen. I am privileged to know, and at the appropriate time, I will tell you whom these people are. Now that I've come to Eneka to provide this basic infrastructure, I can come back to Eneka to say, look, follow me, let us go here, or let us stay here. Do they have what it takes to come and talk to you? Can they come and talk to you? It must, if somebody that hears from you, that you will also hear from, is it not? If you love me, if you follow me, if you push me. So there is love, love, love. We are in love. Is it by mouth? Tell me where love has worked by mouth. You do for this one will do for this one. It's not what they call love. But this one, you have not provided anything for my people. You've not come to ask them what they want. Then you want to tell them where to vote. Far, far, far. Far, far, far. So it is us that will come and meet you, see where you will vote. And I know by our relationship, since knowing that we have not deceived you, we have not told you lies, I know you follow us at the appropriate time.